and Kendrick had brought a wife. No.
Malay! Oh my goodness. Malay!
As expected, there's no one home, and the smell is overpowering.
Probably the worst cat hoarder house I've been in. We've already seen at least one dead cat in the residence. An extreme amount of feces and urine around. The entire house is just really filthy.
The scene is documented on videotape. It seems the owner was living in terrible conditions long before he was taken to the hospital.
This is the main living area. Or trash.
There's feces everywhere. The bedroom that I'm assuming the guy lived in is literally about 10 inches worth of newspaper buildup and trash buildup. You can't even get to the room. And overall, I mean, there's no
hiccup
area anywhere. The smell is...
What are you doing?